Have you ever tried steaming vegetables or dumplings only to realize your pot is too small, your food cooks unevenly, or you're forced to prepare everything in separate batches? If you enjoy healthy cooking, the wrong cookware can quickly turn a simple meal into a frustrating experience. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Concord 30 cm stainless steel 3-tier steamer pot to find out whether it's a worthwhile addition to your kitchen. The Concord 30 cm stainless steel 3-tier steamer pot is designed for home cooks, families, meal preppers, and anyone who enjoys steaming vegetables, seafood, dumplings, buns, rice, or fish. Instead of juggling multiple pots on the stove, this versatile cookware allows you to steam several foods at once while preserving their natural flavor and nutrients. If you'd like to check out the latest price, you can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the steamer feels solid and well-built. It's made entirely from polished stainless steel, giving it a clean, timeless appearance that fits into almost any kitchen. Unlike thinner steamers that can feel flimsy, this one has a reassuring weight thanks to its heavy, triply bottom, which helps distribute heat more evenly across the base. The Stay Cool handles are another thoughtful feature, making it easier to move the pot safely during cooking. One thing that really sets this steamer apart is its flexibility. It includes 2 interchangeable steaming trays with different hole sizes. One basket has smaller perforations, making it ideal for foods like rice, momos, and smaller ingredients that could otherwise fall through larger openings. The second basket features larger holes that allow steam to circulate more freely around vegetables, buns, seafood, and fish. Having both options means you don't have to compromise, depending on what you're cooking. Another advantage is the modular design. You can use all 3 levels when preparing larger family meals. Remove one tray for medium-sized portions, or simply use the base as a standard stock pot when steaming isn't needed. That versatility means you're getting several pieces of cookware in one package, helping reduce clutter in your cabinets while increasing the number of meals you can prepare with a single pot. In everyday use, the Concord performs exactly as a quality steamer should. Steam circulates efficiently through the stacked baskets, allowing multiple foods to cook evenly without requiring constant attention. Vegetables retain their bright color and crisp texture. Dumplings cook through without becoming soggy, and fish stays moist without drying out. Preparing several dishes simultaneously also helps save time, especially when cooking complete family meals. Its generous 30-centimeter size is another major strength. With enough space to comfortably feed 3 to 4 people, it's well suited for everyday dinners, weekend meal prep, or small family gatherings. The large capacity also means you won't have to overcrowd ingredients, allowing steam to circulate properly for better cooking results. Cleaning is refreshingly straightforward. The polished stainless steel surface resists staining and odors, while the smooth finish makes hand washing relatively easy. Since there are no non-stick coatings to worry about scratching or wearing out over time, the cookware should remain durable with proper care. Many users also appreciate stainless steel because it doesn't absorb flavors between different meals. Of course, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. This steamer is designed specifically for traditional stovetops and is not compatible with induction cooktops. It's also fairly large, so you want to make sure you have adequate storage space if your kitchen cabinets are limited. However, if you regularly steam food for multiple people, the larger size quickly becomes an advantage rather than a drawback. If you're looking for a versatile stainless steel steamer that can simplify healthy cooking and handle family-sized meals with ease, the Concord 30 cm 3-tier steamer pot is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and practical buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.